Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh, Dr. Oja?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think Dr. Oja is muted, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I had a little question, little clarification.
Yeah, yeah. Most welcome, sir.
Dr. Oja, very, very nice presentation. Yeah, thank you for
Thank you, sir.
making
Thank you
us
so much.
literate about ethyl pyruvate as a topical agent. What about, I had a question about what about its other potentials, especially in humans for multiple organ failure or multiple uh, tumors, because it has a potential as a strong anti-inflammatory agent. And
Yes,
is there any uh, clinical practice have been done on this as far as treating multiple injuries in the humans is concerned? So I had that question: can we extend its application to the other disease models like diabetes or the liver failure because of the alcoholism? Many people suffer from cirrhosis and other
sir.
diseases. What are its potential use in humans actually? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Definitely. So, in my presentation, in one of the slide, I have I just enlisted some application of the ethyl pyruvate. People have taken ethyl pyruvate up to the clinical trials. In AIMS Delhi, the one of the group of the Professor Yash, they have done the trial of ethyl pyruvate and sodium pyruvate in the epilepsy. Then other thing is that people are also taking care, like for example, you have taken up, you beautifully have this take that liver protection, hepatoprotective, renoprotective. This is the two application where people have investigating the role of ethyl pyruvate. There's a one group in England, Oxford, MP Fink. The MP Fink is they have investigated the multiple multi-organ failures. So they have also investigating the role of ethyl pyruvate in that. Yes, sir, it's an anti-inflammatory compound, and beside that, it's also anti-apoptotic. So it people, the other research groups is also investigating the role in the cancer. So I think it's a very ideal candidate that can be tested in anti-cancer studies, and there are the groups which are investigating its role. So because being in defense, sir, in India, we have to only to limited our application toward the defense forces. That is why we are focusing on radiation dermatitis. Otherwise, if personally as a scientist, I feel it's have a lots of potential. It's a very small molecule. It's a very good ADME properties. I've also checked its biodistribution, plasma kinetics. I have also seen it's a very good compound, and its plasma kinetics is up to 2 hours time. I have that record. So it's a miracle molecule. I don't know, somehow the research group elsewhere are missing that potential. But I think we required good collaboration, research collaboration, and we can take these molecules to a much time ahead. If anybody would like to we wish to have a research collaboration with us in that regard, and we are will love to extend our help in
Thank you,
that
sir.
regard.
Thank you so
Sir,
much.
sir.
So, sir, its pH is towards uh, neutral or
It's a neutral.
towards acidic?
So it's a
Neutral.
neutral, sir.
So
It's
it should
neutral.
not affect much when it is administered through some route like intravenous or.
No,
Okay.
sir. Because in during the formulation, we have to check the pH, and if pH was somewhere around 6 to 7, so it is
Okay.
almost we can say that it's almost neutral, sir.
Okay.
So it is a very good molecules, and if you because it is less than 2 Dalton molecule, so you can expect that it's a good molecule. It able to. Third thing, we also investigated the case of uh, uh, nerve gas in victims. So in the nerve gas the toxicity, the biggest challenge is that many of the drugs is not able to cross the brain blood barrier. This molecule is able to diffuse through the active mechanism. It is able to diffuse from the blood to brain barrier. So that's the beauty of this molecule. So we also investigating that thing as in, if the time permit, and somehow in the next meeting we will show that data also, that it how it able to transfers from the blood to brain. So that is also beauty of this compound. So it's a good
Thank you, sir.
molecule. I can guarantee any research group that it will work. Whether it is you're going for anti-inflammatory, anti-apoptotic, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, renoprotection or hepatoprotection, any kind of protection. If you're talking about, the people are working in that direction.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir,
God bless.
Hello, sir. Am I audible
Yes, sir.
to? Yes. Sir, very good afternoon to all. And I must congratulate Professor Oja for his wonderful talk. I have a question regarding that. Does methyl pyruvate play any role in depolarization of the membrane?
Not exactly. Not exactly. I'm not very sure, but not exactly what I feel. It not cause of any kind of this effect. But it's a very good question. We can investigate.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because what we have observed in computational ADME calculations, it is not going. It is not showing any kind of trend.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Dr. Pathak, very
Any
informative
more
talk.
question?
Sir.
So,
Yeah, yes, sir.
my question is general question that if somebody gets skin cancer,
Sir.
so chemotherapy is better or radiotherapy? Which is better?
In case of skin cancer, it is always the chemotherapy is better than the radiotherapy. Because
Okay,
in
why?
that is basically the report says, because I'm not an expert in cancer, but whatever the report says that in the skin cancers, the chemotherapy is better than the radiotherapy.
Okay. Thank you.
Any more
Dr.
question, please?
Oja?
Ji, ma'am.
Yeah, I have to thank you for a wonderful answer. Actually, the net got, it's always some, some error is there. Thank you so much. And one thing more I would like to supplement. You said our respect for teachers. Actually, we are what our teachers have given us throughout their life. So I would just add few lines for that. Guru Govind dohu khade kaake lagu pao. Guru Govind dohu khade kaake lagu pao. Bali Hari Guru apno Govind diyo milaye. Which means that if I meet both God and my Guru simultaneously, so to whom I will bow down first. So definitely I would touch the feet of my Guru first, because he is the one who showed me the right path to God.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So now I would like to invite Dr. Sharma sir and Professor Matu sir. Please felicitate Professor Himanshu sir by lifetime membership of International Association of Geologists. So please, sir.
Many congratulations, Dr. Oja, for this wonderful accolade accorded upon you. And I hope many more to come in future as well. Many congratulations being part of this prestigious fellowship. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Heartiest congratulations, Dr. Pathak, for getting this award. And this is another feather in your cap. So keep it up. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for giving such nice talk. And I have taken some precious time from your valuable time, sir. So thank you so much for giving consent to be here. And looking forward for the same in the future events also. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you all the delegates and guests right now in the event. Now it's the time of the lunch, I suppose. So we are here for a break once again for the lunch. and we will get together once again at 2 p.m. with Professor B.S. Balaji, School of Biotechnology, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi. He will deliver his talk on the focal themes, and we will definitely ensure and love to hear him. So
thank you.
please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much to you all.
Thank you.
I'll
Thank
meet
you.
once again at 2 p.m.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Hmm?
Yes, Siddharth. Thank you.
आया
We
था
will meet at 2 p.m.
दो